Manual testing. Interview-oriented questions and answers. 1. What is software testing? 2. Why software testing is important. 3. SDLC versus STLC. 4. Software testing lifecycle, STLC. 5. Verification versus validation. Question 1. What is software testing? Software testing is the process of checking whether the software works as expected and is free from defects. Example. Before launching a banking app, testers check login, balance check, and money transfer features. Question 2. Why do we do software testing? To find bugs, ensure quality, and deliver a reliable product to users. Example. Testing a shopping app so users don't face payment failure. Question 3. When is software testing done? Testing starts from requirement phase and continues till deployment. Example. Testing login screen while development is still in progress.
Question 4. What is a defect? A bug is a defect or error in software where the actual result does not match the expected result. Example. Login fails even with correct credentials. Question 5. What is manual testing? Testing software manually without using automation tools. Example. Checking a login page manually by entering valid and invalid credentials. Question 6. What happens if testing is skipped? The application may fail in production. Example. ATM app crashes, right pointing arrow customer money loss, right pointing arrow company reputation loss.
Question 7. Why is software testing important? It ensures the application works correctly. Example. Testing a banking app to ensure money is transferred to the correct account. Question 8. How does software testing improve quality? It identifies defects before release. Example. Finding calculation errors in an online billing system. Question 9. Can testing guarantee a bug-free product? No, but it reduces risk. Example. Even after testing, apps release updates to fix new issues.
Question 10. What is the main difference between SDLC and STLC? SDLC focuses on developing software, while STLC focuses on testing software. Example. Building a car equals SDLC, checking brakes, lights, engine equals STLC. Question 11. What is verification? Verification is the process of checking whether the software is built according to requirements and design documents. Example. If the requirement says, password must be 8 characters, verification checks whether this rule is correctly written and designed.
Question 12. What is validation? Validation is the process of checking whether the developed software meets the user's actual needs. Example. If the system allows login only with 8 or more characters, validation is successful. Question 13. Which lifecycle focuses on quality? STLC focuses directly on software quality. Example. Testing ensures app works on different devices. Question 14. What is functional testing? Functional testing is a type of software testing that checks whether each feature of the application works according to the given requirements. Example. Valid username and password, right pointing arrow, login successful.
Question 15. Explain the phases of SDLC step by step. Keycap 1 Requirement Analysis. Understanding and documenting what the software should do based on client or business needs. Keycap 2 Design. Creating the system architecture, UI design, and database structure of the software. Keycap 3 Development. Coding, writing and implementing code to build the software according to the design. Keycap 4 Testing. Verifying the software to identify defects and ensure it meets requirements. Keycap 5 Deployment. Releasing the software into the live or production environment. Keycap 6 Maintenance. Providing ongoing support, fixing issues, and enhancing the software after release.
Question 16. Explain the phases of STLC step by step. Keycap 1 Requirement Analysis. Understanding and analyzing requirements from a testing perspective to identify what needs to be tested. Keycap 2 Test Planning. Defining the testing strategy, scope, resources, tools, timeline, and test objectives. Keycap 3 Test Case Design. Creating detailed test cases and preparing required test data based on requirements. Keycap 4 Test Environment Setup. Setting up the required hardware, software, and test environment to execute test cases. Keycap 5 Test Execution. Executing test cases, comparing actual results with expected results, and reporting defects. Keycap 6 Test Closure. evaluating test completion criteria, preparing test summary reports, and closing testing activities.